Hello, my name is Philemon, founder of Model Holding Poultry Farm. In my city, we face a growing demand for quality chicken meat, and the local production remains insufficient. This results in dependence on imports, high prices, and unreliable supply, while many young people still lack employment opportunities. Umoja Poultry Farm address this challenge by producing high-quality broiler chicken through modern farming practices, including biosecurity, proper nutrition, and veterinary monitoring. We also train young farmers, deliver directly to customers, and convert poultry waste into organic fertilizer. Our target customers include households, restaurants, hotels, supermarkets, church NGOs, and wholesalers. By the third year, we aim to produce over 20,000 chicken annually, serving more than 500 regular customers and create at least 10 direct jobs. Umoja Poultry Farm is building a sustainable poultry industry that creates jobs, strengthens food security, and deliver affordable, high-quality chicken for the Mbujimai city. Thank you.